if your child takes lessons with me, then I have probably sent something home that looks like this. These are the take-home practice kits that I put together earlier in September, and I just wanted to make a quick video explaining everything that's in here, why it's in there, and what we use it for. So the idea behind the practice kit is it's a way to help students practice better, and it also makes practice more fun. That main cover page that you see explains some games that students can do to learn their songs better. And then we've got all the materials that we use to play the games. So first we've got the erasable scoreboard and whiteboard marker. We've also got a quarter deck of cards. We've got the mood cards. We have 3 dice. And then just for general lesson activities, I included something to write with and a highlighter and some sticky notes. So let's talk some more about the game materials. The mood cards are just used for one activity. And this is an activity that students do when they're preparing a piece for performance or for recording day. So that's a really good performance prep activity. The playful practice cards mentioned here, not everybody has those. It takes a lot of paper to print them, so I'm using those sparingly. The dice game and 3 in a row use the 3 dice, and we also use dice for a lot of other activities. I've got a lot of students doing the shake and draw worksheets right now, which are a lot of fun, so dice are a good thing to have on hand during piano lessons. The deck of cards we use for Chop Suey and Beat the Dealer. All of these 4 games are really good for when students are first starting a piece and just getting into it. So it's just a quarter deck of cards. That's all we need, from ace to king in one suit. We don't need any activities for the lap. That's a really simple game. Again, kind of performance memorization prep. And then we use the scoreboard for the dice game, but you can use this for a lot of other activities too, and I do have some plans to use this. On the other side of the scoreboard, there is some erasable manuscript paper, which the students can use. So that's everything in the take-home practice kits. If you're missing any one of these items, just let me know. I've got lots extras that I can send home. And I'll be making some more videos explaining how to play all of these games so that you can support your child when they have these games as an assignment. As always, reach out to me if you have any questions, or again, if you're missing any of these materials, and I will see you next time.